What's up, guys? Today is a very cool event for me. It's actually going to be my graduation gift. Today we fly down to Florida and I'm going to be fishing the lake in Lake Okeechobee, me, my dad, and a guide. So our flight leaves in about 2.5 hours, so we'll be packing the car up and heading to the airport in a few minutes. And I'll bring you guys along there. I'm not sure how much filming I'm going to be able to do in the airport, but I'll try to get as much as possible for you guys. So it should be a quick trip, about a 2.5 hour flight. And then we'll be down at Lake Okeechobee staying at the Roland Martin Marina. And I'm not sure what we'll be doing tonight, but tomorrow morning we'll be fishing on Lake O, which has always been a lake I've always wanted to fish ever since I was super little. It's on my bucket list, so we'll get back to you guys once we start heading towards the airport. Catch you in a bit. Alright guys, we just arrived at the airport and right now we're going to be taking a tram over to the actual airport, so I'll get back to you in just a minute. What's up, guys? We just arrived at Roland and Martin Marina and Resort here in Clewiston, Florida. We just checked the place out and I'm going to be doing a little fishing. I'm going to throw you guys on the chesty. Tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock we'll be going out with Mark Rogers. He's a guide for the lake and hopefully we can get on some fish. But I'm going to throw you guys on the chesty right now and go down with a little Walmart pole I just bought because I didn't bring any of my own gear because he supplies it. It was just too much for the cost to ship it and send it with me. So I bought a little Walmart pole and some Senkos, and we're just going to go see if we can catch some fish at the marina before we go out tomorrow morning. So we'll get back with you guys. I'm going to toss you on the chesty, and we'll see you in a little bit. Bass.
Right on. Let me see him. Oh, that's cool. That's real cool.
It's a little guy, but it's a bass.
I mentally said, oh, I gotta give this.
I know, exactly.
And I still pulled too hard.
Yeah.
Too quick.
Yeah, the way the fish are right now, you got to give them a couple
Let 'em
seconds.
take it home.
Yeah. Yeah, they are just deader than dead this morning. Yeah, you get all kinds. I mean, I don't get nothing real bad, you know. You just get some people that have never fished before. Most people fish a couple times a year.
Right.
You get some real good anglers. Just depends. There you go. Found a baby. Baby. He ate it pretty good.
All right.
That's skinny
Barely even
one.
got the Senko in his mouth.
Got him? There you go. Got one. Oh, you ate that one.
Still waiting, Dad.
Huh?
Give it a try. There you go. That's a decent one. Oh yeah. Dorsal fin. Got that genetic trait. Yeah, it's dark. Oh, there it is. Got one back there. That thin stuff. You just nipped at it. No, you came up behind it. Okay, there you go. You just a little bit.
Yeah, get a big one back there.
Yeah, sometimes. That's a real skinny one. That grass is nice and thin. You can work it back there.
You post the camera.
Yeah, exactly. We ran up to the north side. Like,
Now these are man-made here or no?
no, this is a ridge that runs all the way down here. It runs for I don't know how many miles, 7, 8 miles. It's just a rocky ridge
Right.
in the lake, and the grass. When the lake gets low, the grass has grown up and it's just stayed here. And they come out here in the summertime. The bass. They're here right now. They're just not blowing it up. But yeah, they just kind of sit out here. Yeah, there you go. That's there you go. That's a good one. Nice one. That's a nice one.
Now we're talking dog.
That's a good one. That's a pig.
Nice.
That sounded like a good boy. You waited
Yeah.
perfect on him. See how he waited?
He
That
was
perfect.
thinking about it. You could tell.
Yeah.
I had to think about it. I was like, oh, that one looked big.
I'm glad you waited on him. That might be your big fish. That's a good one. He's fat.
He's eating
That's a good fish. That's a good summertime fish right there. Let's see.
Got some 4-3, 4-4.
4-4, yeah.
Yep.
Alright guys, so now that I'm back home in New York and I decided I wanted to edit this video, I realized that it kind of ended abruptly and I never really talked about what happened overall. So basically, all we did all day was throw a swim jig with a little swim bait trailer. It was a Strike King, little sexy shad color. The morning bite was decent. our guide Mark Rogers said all around it was a pretty slow day. We picked off a few fish as the sun started to come out, but it was mid 90s, so it's always tough fishing, especially in Florida. We just had a storm come through up there. So yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys a little of basic what happened, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you could like, comment, subscribe. If you want to plan a trip with Mark, I am going to leave a picture of his card at the end of this video, so stay tuned and enjoy.